Is Lentor Gardens a good buy or goodbye? Now, Kingsford has won the bid for Lentor Gardens at 920 per square foot. The estimated launch price for this development will be about 2,002 per square foot. This will be the 7th condo in this area. There are likely 4 more condos to be launched, fulfilling the 11 plots of residential land. So we have Lentor Modern, 605 units. It will TOP in 2018, and the mall size is only just about 9,000 over square feet. That is smaller than the Wisteria Mall in Yishun and 3/4 of the size of Canberra Plaza. It's more than 2 times smaller than the Woodleigh Mall and more than 3 times smaller than Tampines Mall. In other words, the mall is small. We have Lentor Hills Residences, 598 units. This will also TOP in 2028 and is within 1 click from CHIJ, St. Nicholas Girls' School. We have Hillock Green, 474 units. This will also TOP around 2028. Next, we have Lentor Mansion, 533 units. It will also TOP around 2028. This is also within 1 click from CHIJ, St. Nicholas Girls' School. Next, we have Lentoria. This is a smaller development with 267 units. So this will TOP slightly earlier. It's also within 1 click from CHIJ Girls' School. The other condos are not within 1 click from CHIJ. You know what I mean now, alright? Next, we have Lentor Central Residences, and this is about 477 units. It will also TOP around 2028. The 7th one will be Lentor Gardens. This is the bid won by Kingsford, and it will TOP around 2028, estimated 530 units. So with all these 7 condos, you have about 3,500 units that will TOP around the same time together. And we have not included 4 other condos, 11 condos. Usually when it reaches TOP, about 10% will be out for sale in the market and about 10 to 15% will be out for rental in the market. So if we just take 20%, which is of the lower spectrum, a combination of sales and rental, there will be about 700 units out in the market within a short period of time. In other words, the supply in this area is going to be huge. There are many factors affecting the property prices as shared in this video, but the most important factor is demand and supply. This is the most foundational and the most crucial factor in affecting property prices. When the supply in an area is high, it will take a long time for you to sell the property. At the same time, it prevents you from selling at high prices because there will be a lot of competition and you will be pressured to lower your price if you want to sell the property. Furthermore, this is an area with landed enclave and there aren't many BTO upgraders. Yes, there's a cluster of BTO that will be ready in 2028 along the Lorong Chenjaru area. But they can only start selling after they have fulfilled MOP in 2033, which will be a long time later. So if you want to buy the Lentor area just to flip and think that you can make a lot of profit, you might want to ask a different kind of agent. I will see you in the next video.